everybody, Kia J here, back with a hair tutorial. I guess it was a struggle. So I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail and with a side part for a few days just to train my hair to go in that direction. So now I'm officially setting my hair in this back ponytail and creating that slight swoop or slick back effect with my locks. So what I can put back in a ponytail, I am putting it back in a ponytail holder in the direction that I want it to go. And those last locks that are in the front, I am swooping them back and bobby pinning them in place because they are just a little bit shorter than the other locks at the front. And then just kind of pulling them forward to create that swoop across the forehead. Now I usually don't do this, but I'm taking my Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey edge control to actually lay my edges. You know, I want it to be nice and sleek for the pictures, so I'm just applying the edge control and like brushing them forward. I'm not an edge person, y'all. I'm not. But I'm doing the best I can using my brush and my toothbrush to swoop them back and make them look like a little bit of something. And then I also laid down a little bit of edges that were out on the other side. And I'm going to set them with the Got To Be glue because that makes sure that they stay in place. Of course, once I have my edges laid where I want them, I'm going to use a scarf to set them down while I go do my makeup.
Hey good people, so I'm back to finish my hair. I did my makeup and let the edges set. And hopefully this Got To Be didn't betray me too much. Okay, perfect. All right, I got these. Ooh, it seems a little like bright. I got these bundles from Amazon, these Faux Locs. So my goal is to do a bubble ponytail, okay? That's the plan, that's the goal. And I'm gonna rock with it. If need be, I'm gonna get EJ to, you know, just color match it in Photoshop with the edits. Okay. My hair is very full. So I just put 2 of these bundles up here like that. And I feel like they fell to the bottom. Okay. So 2 on the bottom. Where? And we'll do 2 on top. All right, so we have 4 on here, and I'm just trying to spread it out and do enough to like cover my hair. Okay, I have to use some hairpins to pin it in place. The little gold wrap is not tight enough. All right, let's try something different. What if I'm trying to put my hair in a bun, but it's thick. Okay, what if I separate this into 2 ponytails?
All right, popping in here, I finally found a method that worked. So since the gold string that I used was a little bit loose, I just twisted it, and then I would move that bundle of hair to the other side. And I tried to make sure that it was balanced to have enough hair on the top of my ponytail as well as on the bottom, so that way I could cover as much as my locks as possible. So I did wind up putting about 5 bundles of the Faux Locs in my hair. So 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and then that extra one to kind of cover up and fill in any gaps as necessary. I know this felt tragic in the moment, but afterwards it wound up coming together. But it was a struggle. And even since then, I've done this ponytail again, and I think I've gotten better at it. But this method actually worked in the moment. I was definitely trying to troubleshoot.
Alright, grabbing some of the fake or the Locs, Faux Locs on the bottom. Wrapping that around the base of the ponytail. Pinning that as I go. See, the person that I watched do this had shorter locks than me. And I was like, oh, this should be easy for me. False.
I like your hair.
Thank you, Harper.
It's so precious and warm. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay. But the thing is hiding my hair. Let's just get these ties up here at this point. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, okay, so I can get this to bubble. Yep, stretch that. Then yeah, I can't see. I can't see. Maybe if I bubble it out some. Yeah, it's just that my hair is giving me a hard time. Yeah, my hair is not fully covered. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. I think it's okay, but I don't know. Like, I see the potential, but it's just not perfected. So we shall see, because there's the bubbles. Yeah, giving. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. If I come back with any more solutions, like, this is the overall concept of how to do it. I'm just trying to get it to act right. So let's see. But thank y'all for watching my productive struggle. I'm not like upset or anything. I'm just trying to think of solutions. But I'm gonna move on to the next thing that I have to do. So yeah.